Hey there, greetings. It's Vishal Shrestha here with yet another video. This video will give you basic idea on how to develop your own banking or cooperative banking system software. So let's start with the introduction. So I have developed a system software titled Bankoneer for cooperative banking for handling transactions carried in cooperative banks daily in a computerized manner and to nurture the needs of an end banking by providing various ways to perform tasks with different departments as CEO, account department, loan department, e-banking department, cashier department, and online banking for members and users of the cooperative banks. So system development platform. Uh, Bankoneer system comes in three platforms as workstation software used in cooperative administrative and administration, which is developed in Java platform and framework. Online banking for members of cooperative banks developed using PHP, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with ODBC-Connector driver and MS-SQL as server. The system is designed with a simple GUI for effective user interaction and increased effectiveness for handling the transactions and flow of the financial in a computerized manner with sophisticated algorithms. With online banking, the members of the cooperative banks can be transparent. Also, the features like transactions, loan details, ongoing and completed, and the installments, third-party transfer, wallet concept, etc. have been featured. The system deals with data entry, validation and confirmation, handling transaction and financial flow, updating, etc. We have developed our own online payment platform, BPayment, and embedded it with Bankoneer for third-party transfer also. So Bankoneer project is a model desktop application and internet banking site for complete cooperative banking transaction and to maintain all related issues in very efficient manner in a computerized way. This project enables both bank staffs to handle day-to-day cooperative banking operations and customers to perform the banking uh, transactions through online too. The system provides banking operation handling to banking staff at one end, whereas the access to the customer to create account, deposit, withdraw the cash from the account, third-party transfer, wallet, and also to view reports of all accounts, transactions, and loan details ongoing and completed at the other end. So the members can access the banks for viewing their account details and perform the transactions on account as per their requirements. The simple GUI in desktop application makes it user-friendly and efficient to handle all the transactions for admins or staffs. Bank administration have full control over the system as they can add, remove, manage transactions, final sales, and manage other utilities. Customers can also make account from their home and require paperwork and verification from administrative. With this system, this brick and mortar structure of traditional cooperative banking gets converted into a click and portal model, thereby giving a concept of virtual banking a real shape in our sole purpose. So I'll demonstrate system demo. So let's go with the departments. The application of the project can be mainly categorized on the basis of following points with the respective department. So we have created 6 departments in total. In a systems software for desktop workstation, there are 5 departments as mentioned, and online banking for members is also counted as one department. CU department. Minutes are passed by CEO, and all the financial flow can be viewed with the details and reports. Account department. Account opening. Customers account can be opened through desktops with verification from administration. Another is account handling. Account can be handled with operation of adding, deleting, and updating and more, which is done in account department panels. Employee registration. The primary work of human resource to recruit new employee can be done with registration and employee account and handling the account, which can also be done in CEO department. Transaction handling, money deposit, withdrawal of money, balance inquiry, daily transaction handling, loan details, etc. can be done with ease with reports with details. Loan department. Uh, are the members which verify with authorized and loans are passed to the loan department with loan amount, time period of the loan payment, interest rate. The Bankoneer system performs computerized calculation on the monthly loan payment, installment dates, interest amount, fine amount if due, and keeps tracks of every transactions. E-banking department. So online forms for being a member of the cooperative banks are handled with verification and the account are managed. The main functionality for internet banking department is to give respective member the credentials like username, password, and transaction password for online banking and also keep track of online activities and flows. So cashier department. Cashier department are the front-end application users of this application, which handles the transactions like deposit, withdrawal, and loan payment of the members. Bankoneer system handles all the transactions with computerized calculation and stores in the database with fast, refresh, and retrieval rates. Online banking. Uh, the members have right to know about the transparency, and Bankoneer provides members of corporate banks the transparency with feature of online banking. The members can log into their respective accounts with verified credentials from administrative and can view all the details. The pages of online banking are discussed below. Um, uh, Account details. Members can view their account details and status online. Loan details. The loan details are displayed with loan amount to be paid in each installment, remaining loan amount, installment period, next installment dates, interest amount, fine amount if due, with all the loan ongoing and completed. Transaction details. Transaction details are displayed with transactions made by a respective individual members in their online account with all the relevant information as date and time, amount, status of transactions, account balance, wallet balance, etc. Wallet. Wallet concept is new in corporate banks, which handles a static amount of money for third-party transfer, ANW, which means account to wallet or wallet account, loading balance bidirectional, um, transferring amount to another bank when members of the respective cooperative bank, and many other online transactions can be carried out. Third-party transfer. We have developed our own online payment portal, BPayment, which have been configured in Bankoneer for third-party payment to and from an individual member account to be payment account and load balance to wallet. A member account balance is subject to addition of interest amount as ongoing their money in their cooperative banks with the deduction of taxes implied by Nepal government. The calculations are done by the system in a computerized manner and sophisticated algorithms and updating balance at a specified time of the day. Yeah. So third party transfer. We have developed our own online payment portal, BPayment, which have been configured in Bankoneer for third-party transfer, third-party payment to and from an individual member account to BPayment account and load balance to wallet. A wallet account balance is subject to addition of interest account as ongoing their money in their cooperative bank with the deduction of tax implied by Nepal government. Um, the calculations are done by the system in a computerized and sophisticated algorithms and updating balance at the specified time of the day, month, whereas the wallet balance are the static amount which are not subject to any interest and the members can use it for all the online banking transactions like ANW, third-party transfer, banking, transferring balance and member etc. So at last, BPayment. We have developed our own payment portal, BPayment, which has been configured in a Bankoneer for third-party transfer to and from an individual member account to BPayment account and load the balance to wallet. The system Bankoneer will be further justified with the help of system demonstration. As mentioned, System Bankoneer comes in three platforms. as desktop workstation for cooperative workstations and online banking for members and server itself. So this is the login panel of the desktop workstation of the Bankoneer, and as mentioned, we have 6 departments in total. And for the desktop workstation, we have 5 departments as CEO, account department, e-banking department, loan department, cashier department. The departments are credentially separated, and one department cannot access the another department as um, account department cannot access CEO department, and e-banking department cannot access loan department. The departments have their specific task and job to perform, which can be done with their respective panel departments. So if account department tries to access CEO department, so username and password not matched. So let me initiate with the CEO department. So username admin and password admin. So this is the CEO department panel where the main functionality of CEO is to set the minutes. So in the minute settings, the CEO can set the minutes with daily interest rate 10%, service charge is 2%, loan interest rate 2%, and penalty rate is 2%. Sorry, the loan interest rate is 18%, and so the date of the minute passed. So when saved, setting saved successfully, and the minutes is displayed here. So view details and view minutes, view minutes, and the CEO can view customer details, which is auto filled and cannot be uh, edited. Employee registration, the CEO can also register the employee cooperative banks, which I'll demonstrate in the account section further in this video. And edit employee details. This is the details of the employee of the cooperative banks with image and signature and all the details that are filled, which can be updated and deleted. So view and transaction details which have occurred uh, in the cooperative with date, time, account number, type, and status of the transaction, like deposit to account or withdrawal or loaded, and the type as banking, e-banking, and amount, total balance, wallet balance. These are the basic transaction details. And saving transaction gives all the details that have occurred through the cooperative itself, and this is banking. um, and withdraw details, withdraw account details here, and that is saving means online banking details. This is the transaction details of savings through online, which I'll demonstrate in online banking. And e-banking transaction details of withdrawal, and loan details be with the loan account and all the calculations here which are performed. um, the loan account has this all the credentials which I'll demonstrate in the loan department. And loan history transactions. The loan account are the account which have initiated loan and are paying their loan amount at the installment basis. So this much is in the CEO department. So I would like to go in the account department section. Account part, username and account department. So account department firstly can view minutes which are set by the CEO. So this is the last minute which is filled, and on the basis of that the banking transaction can be done. So let me first register an employee. So branch is let me say Balaju, and Mr. User. Okay, let me say YouTube user, and male. Okay, female, and single, nationality, mm, married, nationality Nepal, Nepali, and date of birth. So the credentials of citizenship number, permanent address, Balaju, and Kathmandu, temporary address, mobile number. So you do password user. Okay, so I'll um, give the YouTube user the account section of the system, so account department, and date 18, upload image. Sorry. Okay, so save, register successfully. Now I'll log out and log in with the credentials that I've just entered. So login, and basic handling of the account of the employee, that is edit employee details, can be done. YouTube user, employee details can be viewed, and daily customer registration can be done. So I will register a member for the corporate banks through the online form itself. So I'll just bypass this, and get the online banking to this, and transaction details which I've already mentioned. So this is the account section of the account department. So e-banking department, so e-banking department. Basic functionality of e-banking department is to register the online credentials for online banking for the users, or the members of the cooperative banks, which have already been verified by the account department, and also the online application that have been filled through the online forms. So online applications, this is the online applications that have been initiated till date. So I'll just fill an online form through the online banking. So this is the online banking website for the system, and I'll just fill a form through online banking. So select branch is internet banking, account type is saving, currency Nepalese rupees, that is NPR, Mr. And I'll just fill the form in the name, in my name, and let me say it's 1996. Where is it? So let me fill. So I'll just give it my name. It's a single there, and education bachelor, occupation. Okay, and so occupation, citizenship number, document number to be filled, and mobile number is landline number. So office name and office email, office number. So after filling the form, just click the button here, that is form fill and upload images. So the next step is to upload the scanned images of all the documents for the verification of the member via online banking. So the e-banking department has to verify on the basis of these documents. So the well, so after uploading the images, then I agree and submit. So after that of message, your form has been submitted and waiting for review. Please contact our branch near you. And thank you for joining our community, pops up. So the next step is for e-banking department to verify the online forms. So online applications, that form which has been filled just now has been already uh, displayed here. So when clicked, this all the uh, credential field is auto filled here, and the after the proper verification of the members, the e-banking department gives an account number. Let me say 56 and this, and username is vishal underscore, and password is ssrstsa, and transaction password is ssrstsa. So when click register successfully, and the displayed credentials here are deleted. So now the online the members can now have the features of online banking. So online banking have the credentials that I just got from the e-banking department. When I hit the login, so when login, all the details of the members in the cooperative are all displayed via online banking. So the account balance is zero, as the new member has no balance in the cooperative bank's wallet balance. So let me tell you what the account balance and wallet balance is. The account balance is the dynamic amount of money which are subjected to the interest calculations which are implied by the government rules. So when a person deposits an amount in the cooperative banks, the cooperative banks give certain amount of interest on the basis of the deposition. So these are the account balance is that money, and wallet balance are the static amount of balance which are used in the other online banking like third payment, fund transfer, and also A&W. So this is the account details displayed, and this is the loan details. So now there are no loans initiated by the member, so there are no loan details displayed here. sorry. So I'll log out of the e-banking department and log in to the cashier department. So the cashier department can view customer details, transaction details, loan history, loan account, and view minute. The basic functionality of cashier department is the daily savings, that is deposition and withdrawal of the amount of the members, and also the loan payment which is initiated by the members. So in the daily savings, all the accounts are displayed here. So the account that has just been filled is displayed here, which has zero balance currently. And when the member himself comes in the cooperative banks and deposits the amount via the cashier, let me say he deposits 10,000 rupees. So when you have to deposit to account, deposit successfully, and the receipt is generated here, which is printed, and also balance is updated here, and members can see the transactions. So when refresh, this is 10,000 rupees. So account balance is 10,000 rupees, which can be seen in the transaction history. So deposit to account, which is the transaction status, the amount, the total balance in the account, and the date time, and transaction method is banking. So um, now I like to withdraw certain amount. The member wants to withdraw the account of rupees 1,000. So withdraw, show the withdraw from account, and amount withdraw successfully, which has been updated here. The balance amount is updated here, and the receipt is generated. So let me say the amount denominations is minus 1,000, and you want to deposit. So here's the invalid amount denominations. The balance right now is 9,000, and if the balance is 10,000, the withdrawal balance is 10,000, so insufficient amount in the account, online banking, and the account balance is updated here, which can be viewed in transaction details. So the banking, date and time, transaction method is banking, and transaction status is withdrawn from the account, transaction amount is 1,000, and total balance remaining in the account is 9,000. So let me further explain the wallet balance. The wallet balance are used in the third-party transfer, ANW, and fund transfer. So we have developed our own payment platform, that is bpayment, which has been embedded in the system for a third-party transfer. So now, right now, the account balance is 0. So if you want to transfer the balance from the third party, redirect to bpayment website. So Bankoneer username is Shrestha underscore underscore transfer amount 1,000, B payment password, um, so transfer on transfer amount transfer complete, and the wallet balance is 5,000, and transaction history is transaction method e-banking with date and time, transaction status transfer from B payment, transaction amount 5,000, and wallet balance is 5,000. So in the third party, I would like to transfer my wallet balance to another third party. So bpayment user transfer amount is 1,000, and the transaction password is of the system Bankoneer is Vishal SSRSDSAA. So transfer. So on transfer, amount transfer complete, and the wallet balance is 4,000 now. And now wallet balance is the static amount of balance. So which can be used in A and W That means load wallet balance to account balance or load account balance to wallet balance. And transfer or fund transfer the same cooperative or system user. So I like to transfer amount of rupees 1000 via transaction ID is, so I like to load wallet balance to account balance here. So on transfer amount transfer complete and 4000 is 3000 now, and this 9000 is here 10,000 updated to 10,000. And again wallet balance, I like to transfer uh, amount 1000 to with transaction ID and load account balance to wallet balance here. So amount transfer complete and 10,000 is now 9,000, and the wallet balance is updated to 4,000. Now I like to transfer the fund, so 2,000 amount password, and let's say another Bankoneer user, that is Vishal Shrestha, and transfer balance, see amount transfer complete, and the wallet balance is updated here. So transfer amount of 10,000 cannot be initiated as there is only 2000 balance in the wallet. So invalid transaction, sorry. So insufficient amount, error message is popped up, and also the member balance to his or own account. So if I try to transfer the account to my own account here, the invalid amount dimension, this error message is popped up. So all the details can be viewed through uh, transaction history. So I first deposited to account rupees 10,000, and these are the transaction details carried on. So the third party transfer balance to this user ID are all shown or displayed in the transaction details. So now I like to initiate the loan for this user. So I like log out from the cashier department and log into the loan department. So loan department has these functionalities, and the primary functions for the loan department is to register to loan account with proper verification. So the user Vishal Shrestha wants some loan initiated. So on the proper authorization from the upper departments of the CEO, the loan department initiate the loan with the mortgage type of land and home ownership document or jewelry ornament, vehicle certificate, mortgage number is this, and date of the loan initiated is this, and the loan amount. Let me say it's 5 lakhs, and loan interest rate is 18%, and time period, let me say 6 months, and registered to loan account, which is registered to loan account successfully. Message pops up, and if member just initiated loan and hasn't paid the loan amount, so if the member wants to initiate the loan again, which cannot be done as already in the loan account. So, so the view loan account. So the recently initiated loan account number, this of the name Vishal Shrestha, is all be displayed with the loan amount of 5 lakhs, and interest is 18%. Time period is for 6 months, that is 6 installments. So the monthly amount is calculated computerizedly, and that is 83,300 this month, and remaining loan is 5 lakhs. Interest amount is uh, 7,500 on the basis of the loan amount. So installment is 0 as it is just initiated, and fine is 0 as the loan amount is not due yet. So on initiation of the loan, the members can view the loan details. So on refresh, so the loan details are displayed here. In the loan history, the loan details of the date, loan amount, interest rate, time period, monthly amount, deposit date, that is loan withdrawal status, and remaining loan, that is 5 lakhs, interest amount, installment, fine, and the next installment date. Installment date is this. So the members wants to pay his loan, which is done via cashier department. So once again, log into the cashier, and on the loan payment section here, the loan details are displayed here, and on the click, all these are auto-filled and calculated. So the installment number is 1, so the first installment for the members should be this much. So in the first installment, and the interest rate is 7,500, which is all calculated here with the total due amount of 5,75,000. So the members deposits 50,000 on the first installment and deposits. So the receipt is generated, and the next installment date is calculated here, and all the details are again displayed here. So remaining loan amount is 4,57,500. So again, in the installment number 2, he pays again rupees 40,000. So on the deposition, receipt is generated. Next installment date is calculated on. So the installment date is of 30 days, which is standard date for the calculations. So successfully, which can be viewed in the online banking. Here, calculated amount and the loan history details are calculated. The loan withdrawal initial phase of loan initiation, and the installment 1, the remaining loan, the deposited amount of 50,000, the installment 2, the deposit amount of 40,000, and the remaining loan here. And let me say the installment number 3 of the same user, and he deposits rupees 60,000 on the installment number 3. So on deposition, the next installment date is calculated, and on the installment number 4, he deposits rupees 70,000. So on the installment number 5, the installment date, so he deposits rupees 40,000. So the total amount left for the loan to be subsidized is 3,10,800. So on depositions, receipt is generated, and the so this is the last installment for the members to pay his loan total due amount, and the interest rate is this must be on the basis of the remaining loan. The interest rate is calculated, and the fine is not calculated yet because the installment is not due. So he pays rupees 40,000 in the installment number 6. So on deposition, so the member has left this much total due amount left, and the installment period has succeeded to So on the online banking, all the details are displayed here. And on the installment number 7, he pays 30,000. So now the fine has been updated. So the fine has been initiated for the members, and the total due amount is the remaining loan amount plus interest amount plus fine amount, which is displayed here. And in the online section, the details are displayed with the fine amount. In the installment number 7, the fine amount is initiated with the remaining loan to be paid. And in the installment number 8, he pays 50,000 rupees. So the fine is again initiated, which is added to the total due amount here. And installment number 7, he have fine rupees this. Now he finally pays his total due amount. So let me first pay the loan of amount which is greater than the total due amount. So the input amount is greater than the loan amount. Member finally pays his loan. So on deposition, the receipt is printed. So I have not attached any printer right now. So and the loan account has been updated as the member Bisal with the account number. This has just paid his loan. So the member is no longer in the loan account and has been deleted from the loan account after the all the loan due payments due paid by the member. So when the loan has been paid, the details members is deleted from the loan account, and there is no loan details displayed here. So on the loan history, so this is the loan history. So initially the loan has been initiated on the date this, and the all the details are displayed there. On the installment number line, he has paid his loan amount of 5 lakhs with the remaining loan of this much with fine amount of this and interest rate this, and the loan has been cleared. So as I mentioned, the account balance is subjected to the interest calculations by the cooperative policies and the government. So we have developed an algorithm to calculate the interest amount and update at the specific date or time of the day or the month. So I've set the interest calculation to be calculated right now. So when refresh after calculation, the account balance is updated with the interest addition and also the tax to be paid to the government deducted. Updated with the addition of the interest and the tax has been deducted, which is to be paid by the cooperative, which may be a certain amount like 5%. So this video might give you some basic idea on how to develop your own banking software or corporate banking software. So if you need any kind of help regarding this software or the ones you are building, the links to contact me is in the description box below, and also you can comment on how this software Bankoneer has come out, so in the comment section. So if you like the Bankoneer, the system software that I have developed, please give a thumbs up and share this video. So thank you for watching this video.